Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use GNC Marine Collagen. Marine collagen is a popular supplement derived from fish, known for its excellent bioavailability. This means your body can absorb and utilize it very effectively. It's packed with essential amino acids that are crucial for supporting your body's natural collagen production, which tends to decline as we age. GNC Marine Collagen offers several fantastic benefits for your health and beauty. It helps improve skin elasticity and hydration, which can lead to a more youthful complexion and fewer visible wrinkles. Beyond skin, it also contributes to stronger, healthier hair and nails. Plus, it supports joint comfort and provides valuable antioxidant protection for your body. Using GNC Marine Collagen powder is incredibly simple. For one serving, just add a scoop, typically around 10 grams, to about 180 to 200 milliliters of your preferred beverage. It mixes smoothly into water, juice, your morning coffee, or even a smoothie. The most important thing is to take it consistently every day to experience its full benefits. You can take GNC Marine Collagen at any time that fits your schedule, though many find it beneficial to consume it after a meal. Some prefer adding it to their morning coffee or smoothie, while others enjoy it in an evening beverage. The key is finding a consistent time that works for you. Also, for other great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the link in the description. Remember, daily use yields the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.